Hello all. So today we will see how we can use Power BI service without actually buying any license. When first of all, you can use Power BI service if you have a proper license, right? Pro license or any other licenses, right? So you should have an office account, work account, right? For using Power BI services. Okay. So for that, if you don't have a work account or school account, right? So how you can use Power BI services? And to use Power BI services, we can, you utilize Microsoft 365 account. We can create an account in Microsoft 365, right? So let's check. We can have a Microsoft 365 E5 free trial account. Okay, we are going to create a Microsoft 365 E5 free trial account, and that has to be uh, done using your personal account. Okay, this can be done using your personal account. Before we go ahead, let's see the Power BI service. If you want to use Power BI service, right? Power BI services, that means app.Power BI service, and you want to log into that, right? So to log in to Power BI service, you need an account. Let's check if we are able to log in with our personal account. So I want to use my personal account. Let's see. And now you can see here that we are not able to log in with the personal account. You can't sign in here with a personal account. Use your work or school account instead, right? How we can get an school account? That's what we are going to see here. That we are going to create an school account, right? And work account, right? Using Office 365 E5 trial. Okay, so I'm going to the United States. In India, I face some issue that I am not able to see the trial version. So I'm using this United States, right? This one. Fine. Now you will be able to see here a free trial, right? If you are trying to buy it, it is around $38, right, per user per month, right? The subscription. So I am going to create a free trial with my account, right? With the personal account. Let's see. So first of all, you have to provide your personal account here, right? I am going to use my personal account like Noori Division Academy dot at the gmail.com. Fine. This is the personal account. Now you have to set up the an account. You have to set up an account. You have to provide your detail, personal informations, and all this thing, name and everything, your contact details. So let's see. I am going to create a. Uh, let's create this. I already had this account, and this phone number must contain 10 digit, right? And it is 11 digit. So this is fine. And company size you have to give here, and this is one person only. You want to create it for yourself, right? Now we want to have this in my this is India, right? So this is India account, and you can provide. I like Microsoft. You can just subscribe some of this information, right? Contact things. We want to just have this and go to next one. So you can see what are the different tools you are getting with the Microsoft 365 account, right? You can also check that. And now we want to use this number, right, for to send this text verification code. So I can get the verification code here. Let's check the verification code. So let's enter the verification code, and that is use fine. I'm just going to use my verification code, right? Right. one. So this is verification code, and now let's see that Division Academy domain I just want to create, and your domain. Okay, I don't want to use the on Microsoft domain. I want to use this Data Vision Academy domain. Okay, domain is Data Vision Academy. Right, fine. So now at the rate of Data Vision Academy at the rate this, fine. Data Vision Academy, or you can say DVA. I can give you DVA. Okay, fine. Data Vision Academy. So Manzar Imam Nori, I'm just giving Manzar Imam Nori. And now you can set your password. Okay, I'm setting a password. So at least 8, right? So you have to give at least 8 digit, right? And created this account. Now it's not available, so we have to use something else. Let's see. Uh, let's see what we can just do here. Fine. And whether it is available. No, it is not available. Fine. Let's see whether this is available. Okay, this seems to be available, and this looks to be a big, you know, I want to edit it because this is too much. Okay. Whether this is available, this is also available. Okay, let's get this. Now I have just created an account with this username, right? This is a user which I can use now uh, for to log in to the Microsoft Power BI service. Let's see, it is getting set up, and this is now set up. And why have we created this? You know, why have we created this account? Because with Microsoft, Office 365 E5 trial, we have the Power BI Pro license also. Okay, it is included with the Power BI Pro license, so we can just use this same. Okay, we can use the account. That account we can use and use it for, right. We can use it for login. Let's see. We should be able to create it, and it seems that I have to fill. Okay, so we have just sign in details, right, and payment info we have to, and finish we have to do. So I don't see any first month is free, that is fine, and license is done. So I don't see any option here. We should be able to have the option. Let's see whether it is created. It should not. Uh, Let me see also whether it is created. This is now the account name is whatever the account is there, right? About you, and sign in details is fine. And after that, we have the add license information, free trial, and we have all of these. You should be able to get all of these, and this should be done. Okay, and but it looks like it is not proceeding further. I will check it again with the same user ID. Okay, I will check with the same user information. And go to the free trial version, create the user. Let's have the same user. Next, and set up the account. Give me the, let's use the details. This is mom, and this is Novi. This is mother. And company name is Data Vision Academy. Data Vision Academy. Fine. And here you can see this detail. And now we should have the India information. Okay, let's give the India information. And I should like to share my information with the partners. Let's see. I want to also get this or text information, verification code. And this will be now. So now I have this account, and this should be the my user ID. Okay, Manzar Noori at the rate Data Vision Academy dot on Microsoft.com, right? And you have to just have it division. I just say division academy division dot, okay, division dot this one, right? Let's see, it is not available. Division division is not available, and data vision is also not available. So data vision division academy is also not available because we have already created an account called the Data Vision Academy, and which is we just created this account. Let's see whether we are able to log in with that. Okay, dot on Microsoft.com. So it will create an account with on Microsoft.com. Let's see that we have created an account called IMAM only at the rate, right, Division Academy dot on Microsoft.com, on Microsoft.com, right? Now we should be able to log into this, right? And password. So I should be able to log in to this, right? You'll get an so you are seeing just I have just logged into Power BI services, right? With the account I created. So now let's what is saying selected Microsoft account, and here we did not I did not use or I did not created the account, set up the account in my Power BI. So I have to also set up the account in Power BI. Okay, so let's see. Manzar Imam Noori at the rate Revision Academy dot on Microsoft.com. So you have to create an account, sign in with the account. Let's see. This region is India region, right? You want to set it up for India region. And this is now business phone number is 9940121076, right? And this has to be done. And this is done on getting started. Fine. And get started with thanks for signing up with Micro and get started, right? Now we should be able to log in. Something went wrong. App.microsoft. Let's see again. Power BI. And app.microsoft. Something went wrong. Let's connect. Let's check it. And now you can see that I have logged in. Okay. I have logged into the account. And this is so easy, right? This is easy that we can just log in using, you know, creating an account in Microsoft 365, right? Create an account on Microsoft 365. After you have created the account on Microsoft 365, you can use that login ID, and we created this ID, right? Manzar Imam Noori @ Manzar Imam Noori, right? Imam Noori at the division dot academy on Microsoft.com. So that same user ID you are able to log in to your account, right? Here you can see that this is showing you the personal account, personal ID. This is now not here. This is the personal ID, whatever you have just created, right? You can see here, and this is a free account. So what you have to do, you can just first you have to create the account and Microsoft account, and then you have to sign up for the Microsoft Power BI services, right? That's how you will be able to create a Microsoft account. So that's all we have for this session. Just try to follow all these instructions. You should be able to create your first Microsoft free trial, 365 E5 account. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.